guys, good morning. As you can see, parang wala tayong balak pumunta kung saan. Ito pa rin yung itsura ko. So good morning, or no, it's good afternoon. May balak sana kaming mag-errands today, pero magbibideo sana ako a day in life. So mukhang hindi mangyayari kasi tinatamad akong magawa ng errands. So ayan guys, look at that. It's windy, rainy. Obviously, it's rained a lot here in Las Vegas because all the dandelions are growing so fast. At ayan, talagang masama ang weather natin ngayon, ano? Sabi nila 40% rain. Lamig, super lamig talaga guys. Wala akong balak pumunta kung saan. So ayan. Tamo oh. Gloomy talaga. Diyos ko, I'm shivering. I was outside right now showing to you guys para naman meron tayong magawang long form video. So, ayan guys, dahil windy sa labas, pinasok ko yung aking mga baby. Ayan. Getting bigger. Look at that baby of mine. Alright guys, that's it for now. Okay, bye-bye.